Hey, it's Tracy with the Y. Welcome back. I've missed you all. I did a quick little video here of I ordered Temu flowers. These are the packages that came. And I did this the same as I did my spring summer flowers. So I think they turned out prettier. Look at the little, those are concrete like statue flower holders that I got at the Lucasville flea market. They're really heavy and they're like Louis Vuitton purses. I love them. They're so cute. And then I just reused my black and white. Here's the flowers spread out. I had to put new styrofoam inside. And I also took a couple pieces of mesh that I got at Craft Outlet and stuck them down inside for fillers. So here's me adding just a couple, just building. There's the mesh butterflies I made to stick in the sides. So the pipe cleaner is what I would stick down into the, right like that, and it would just give it some body. I thought they turned out pretty good. Not bad for Temu flowers. Another picture of just some of my outdoor decor. Here's the finished versions. Aren't they cute? I love them. We did get a big storm here in Ohio, and the wind blew out a couple of these. Luckily, I found them in the yard. I just love them. And I love that pop of orange. That pumpkin patch metal sign, I'd really love to paint it. Here's the black and white that I did. These are, I keep out year round pretty much. Not the watering can. Okay, here's the end product. See the Louis Vuitton. Isn't that cute? And then I had a few little extra picks that I'd already had out of the packaging. I just stuck them there in that little bucket in the back, that galvanized bucket. There's that. Another one of the concrete Louis Vuitton planters. It turned out so cute. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. You guys all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.